Welcome back. We are going to cover personal loans, procedures and practices in this session. Let's look at the target group. A lot of people, they need urgent money and they don't have collateral. So the personal loans are actually disbursed on that basis. So when we talk about disbursing loans on what we call personal loans, basically the permanent employees with a minimum service experience, say 5 years, 10 years, or with a government or a quasi-government, that kind of persons are the target employees where these loans are parted. The purpose could be for household expenses, meeting medical specific examples also. And the tenure could be 36 to 60 months for this repayment. There is no tangible security as such, so we need to be very careful when we do the KYC of these kind of clients, and loans are sanctioned against absolutely personal guarantee. As far as the interest rates are concerned, the rate of interest on these loans will be always higher than the loans which are parted with collateral as security. For example, these loans could be parted like a solidly loan or a loan to professionals, credit cards, etc. Now, eligible amount. Now, the calculation is based on number of times the gross or net salary of the person to whom we are lending money. And of course, certain thing like what is minimum take-home salary, that also needs to be taken into consideration, because post that there could be a deduction of EMI which he should be able to bear it. And in case if the employees provide undertaking for salary deduction, higher amount of eligibility can be considered, because in that case there is always safety of recovery of the money. What are the documents generally required for personal loans? This proof of employment or a salary certificate, the demand promissory note, the guarantee deed, and maybe a specific any other document that could be required. Now let's check what we learn. The loans granted against personal security without any tangible security are known as consumer loans, personal loans, C, A as well as B above, D, none of the above. The answer is the personal loans, that is the loans which are parted against the personal security and without any tangible security what the bankers get. Next one, let's check what we learn with another question. Credit card is a nature of non-priority sector personal loan. True or false? Answer is true. Credit card is non-priority sector personal loans. In the next session, we'll cover procedure and practices for consumer loans.